Hey y'all, Amanda here, and today we are unboxing my August 2021 Vegancuts beauty subscription. But before we get into that, I have used the two beauty products I've recently got. I think these were from either Kinder or Petite Bour. I don't know, I got them the same day, filmed them the same day, so I can't remember. But either way, we have the Eco Lips Lip and Cheek Tint in the color Nude. So that's what we got right there. I have that on my cheeks, and I tried it on my lips. Because the shimmer really highlighted the texture on my lips, and it was kind of drying. It didn't feel very good. I took it off my lips, but I did leave it on my cheeks, and I think it looks really nice and really natural. I don't think if you are like medium skin tone to dark, even if you're just like on the darker end of light, that this is really going to show up all that well on your skin. But if you are like light to fair, I think this would be a really pretty color. But they might have other colors in the line, I don't know, I did not investigate. But this particular shade Nude, really good for fair skin, and I think it looks really pretty and natural. I'm a fan. The other item I used was from Elate Cosmetics. It is their Hearth Eyeliner, and is Hearth the color? Hearth might be the color. It is the brown, and I don't know if you'll be able to see, it's just like a little line. The color I really liked. I thought it looked gorgeous, but as I kind of thought it would be just from swatching it on my hand, it is not the easiest to use. It kind of tugs. It is not a smooth, creamy eyeliner pencil. So there's, you know, there's ups and downs to that. Ups being that it's probably not going to transfer to your lid if you have hooded eyelids, but the downside being that obviously it was not the easiest to apply. It did take a good bit of work to gently apply this on my eyes without tugging or stabbing myself. So I'm probably going to end up giving this away. I have other brown eyeliners. I don't really need another one right now. I'm glad I got to use it, but I'm going to give it away to a friend who might be able to do something else with it, or maybe they'll be able to use it on their brows or pass it on to someone else. So yeah, this is going to leave my collection. Unfortunately, it was just a little too stiff. But with all that out of the way, let's take a look at the card for this month's Vegancuts box. We've got this cute little goat guy on there. Doesn't say what charity it's sponsoring this month, but I'm sure it is. It's probably just something they forgot to put on the card. And then it says, this month we're featuring businesses that donate a portion of their sales to charity. So that's kind of cool. Cool little theme for the month. So let's go ahead and look through. It looks like we're getting 4 products. So the first one we have here, love the packaging with the rainbow. That's kind of fun. This is the Dr. Botanicals Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. So let's read a little bit about that. The lemon is already concerning to me. This is the $19.90 value. It is their Pride Lemon Superfood Rescue Butters. That's actually kind of fun. They must be donating a portion of the sales to an LGBTQ charity, but let's keep reading. This refreshing lemon balm is a multi-use gem for use as moisturizer. Massage a small amount into face. Do not do that if they're advertising that it's lemony. I know I'm a stickler about fragrances, but particularly citrus fragrances, be very careful if you choose to put them on your face, because it can be very sensitizing and can cause all kinds of damage if you are out in the sun or anything like that. So just be very careful. Anyway, that's my aside. As a treatment, apply to lips, elbows, and heels, or as a cleanser, apply a generous amount to the face and wipe away with a cloth to rinse. $1 from every limited edition Pride Rescue Butter will be donated to an LGBTQ charity. Yeah, so that's kind of cool. I love that. I would say, depending on the texture, I don't have any issue using it for feet, elbows, maybe even hands. I like to use something thicker, and balm or butter kind of implies it's thick, but I like to use something thicker on my hands at night, so that might end up working. Let's take it out of the box and take a look. So the packaging itself is also Pride themed, which I love. Let's take a look at what the texture's like. So there's the texture. I was kind of thinking it would be more like a lotion, just the way it came out of the tube, but it is definitely a butter. And I would say, given the thickness and the texture, this is probably something I would use on my hands at night. The lemon scent is there. It's not too strong. It does seem like it would fade. I would say the lemon scent in this is weaker than the lemon scent in that Earth something. Why can't I remember? In that serum with the super heavy lemongrass scent that I got recently. I would say this is a weaker lemon scent. But yeah, I'll probably use this in my nightstand for my hands at night because it feels like it's going to be a good product for that. Next, a packet of some sort. This is from Earth Kiss Supernaturals Kombucha and Charcoal Exfoliating Clay Mask. So that's kind of cool. It is one of those ones where you like add water? No. You don't add water. Yeah, oh, the texture is there. I thought this was going to be a packet full of like a dry product, but now that I'm feeling it, it is a wet product. So you just apply it onto your face. So that's kind of cool. I don't know if this is the best packaging for a actual creamy face mask, but I guess I'll make do because it is a sample, I suppose. Unless they sell these individually. I don't know. If they sell these individually, they should think about doing a different package. Anyway, I'm rambling. It's a $2.99 value. An exfoliating clay mask that gently removes dead skin cells, leaving skin brighter and softer. Apply evenly to clear skin. Relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water and gently pat dry. Earth Kiss supports the Born Free Foundation. So yeah, I always love getting a face mask. Excited to try that. Next item comes in a dropper bottle. What's this? Legendary Apothecary, the Smooth Feet Artisan Foot Care. So that's kind of cool. Something specifically for our feet. This is a $35 value. Wow. This old world treatment transforms feet from dry and cracked to smooth, soft and hydrated. Used to treat cracked heels, dryness, calluses, and corns. I hate the word corns in reference to feet. Massage one full dropper. Yeah, okay. Massage one full dropper onto the bottom of each foot before bed for 7 to 10 days or as needed. Profits help support human, animal, and environmental efforts. So that's kind of cool. I wonder what's in this. So let's see. Glycerin, denatured alcohol. So I don't see how that's going to help moisturize your feet because denatured alcohol is a drying ingredient. Lavender oil. That's it. Glycerin, alcohol, and lavender oil. For $35, that's honestly a very disappointing ingredient list. Because you can probably buy glycerin, alcohol, and lavender oil all in individual tubes and make this little thing on your own, including buying the container, for well under $35. So that's kind of obnoxious, and I wouldn't say this is any sort of old world treatment. I think the language around this is kind of a farce. I am not impressed with this after reading the ingredients, seeing the price, and I'm probably not going to use this. Just the idea that it's being marketed as some sort of old world interesting treatment, but it's literally glycerin, alcohol, and lavender. Like, it's kind of leaving a bad taste in my mouth about Legendary Apothecary. Maybe I'm just being hypercritical, but you know, I get a lot of products through with all these boxes I get, so maybe I should be hypercritical. This is not doing it for me, honestly. And you can't get out of bed. after you put this on because your feet are going to be slippery. So you have to do it in bed with no plans to get out of bed. And hopefully it dries quickly, because if you gotta pee, forget about it. You're going to slip on your bathroom floor. You know what? The more I think about it, the more I'm not a fan of this. And it being the most expensive part of the box, that is extra disappointing. So we do have one more item. Looks like a bath bomb. This is Palmetto Derma's Peace and Love Bath Bomb, which is the $10 value. Bursting with fresh grapefruit aroma, this bath bomb is formulated to enhance peace and well-being. Fill your bathtub with warm water and add the bath bomb and relax. Profits help to support breast cancer awareness. Well, I love that they're going after or supporting a breast cancer charity. That's kind of great. And it smells really good. These are just the instructions, obviously. Put in your bathtub. I will say that I don't think this visually looks like a $10 value. Once again, we have an issue with the valuation here. This looks like the kind of bath bomb you'd get like a dozen on Amazon for like 15 bucks. So maybe they're handmade. I could see how that would add to the valuation, but it does not look as fancy as one that you might get at Lush, and the ones at Lush aren't even always that expensive. So I will say it smells really good though. The scent is very strong. I am getting pure grapefruit. It doesn't smell artificial, so maybe that's where the cost comes from, getting good quality scented product. So I can't wait to use it. It has been way too hot around here lately to even think about getting in the bathtub, but when I do, I'm excited. I'm gonna put it back in its cute little pouch for now so I can keep the label with it, so I know when I've used it I can share it in my empties video and tell you guys about it. I will say overall this month's box I'm kind of meh on. I'm not all that impressed by it. I'll use these two products. I like that everything supports a charity, and these two are the most exciting things to me, but even so, this is like not the greatest packaging for this type of mask, so it's still going to be a hassle. And I'll use this too, but it's also not that exciting. Like, you can get bath bombs so cheap, and like even you can get them at yard sales. People make them at home these days, so not the most exciting thing. And this just kind of rubbed me the wrong way. I talked myself into being really annoyed by this product. So I don't know, this month's Vegancuts is kind of meh. I'm not all that into it. It's whatever. What did you guys think? I'm probably just being hypercritical because I don't know, maybe I woke up on the wrong side of the bed. I don't know. I haven't felt like moody today, but maybe I'm just being hypercritical of it, but I don't think this was the best box. So you'll have to let me know what you guys think down below. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. And if you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!